First of all, thank you. I thought we were going to meet Dolly Parton today. I did not know that this was going to be me in the spotlight, but I am very honored to accept this on behalf of everybody in this room because I love everyone here. I felt like I'm in the Twilight Zone right now. But thank you, everyone. To the people I work with, this wouldn't be possible without you all too, because you all are amazing. And I have some friends back here that also, they have helped me to get to where I am today. And I hope to continue to pursue education. I am working on my doctorate, so that money will help towards that, to complete that degree. But thank you all so much. This is truly an honor to be standing in front of you today. Thank you.